Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm showing you how to make cornbread dressing from scratch. Things you'll need: Jiffy cornbread box, 3 eggs, red pepper. You also need green, but my local Walmart ran out because it was Thanksgiving and everything ran out. You'll need green onions, regular onions, green celery, a stick of butter, half-gallon of milk. You won't be needing all of it. You'll just be using some for the cornbread dressing. Chicken broth, a whisk to mix everything together, vegetable oil, and then you'll melt the butter. And you'll add eggs to the cornbread mix that we're gonna bake. You'll add the melted butter. You'll add milk. You'll add a little bit of vegetable oil and whisk it together. Now you'll put the cornbread mix in a baking dish. I put my oven on 375 and I bake the cornbread for 30 minutes. Excuse my bowl, it's messy, but the food always come out good. Now I'm shifting the cornbread. Make sure everything's flat. You don't want any lumps in your cornbread.
Next morning, the next morning, the very next evening.
Now we have our cornbread, getting ready to make the dressing. The vegetables you need: green peppers, if you can find it in your local store, red peppers, green onions, regular onions, celery, and red pepper. Now we're mixing the cornbread all together. We're breaking it apart so we can add our vegetables to it for it to go in the oven. Now we sliding that thing. We're gonna be sliding that thing in the cornbread. We're mixing it together, get it mixed. Adding our season, we got adobo all-purpose seasoning. We got the garlic powder. We got the reduced sodium salt. And we got black pepper. See, everything's mixed together. We're adding eggs. We're adding butter. Adding the garlic powder. We're adding black pepper. See my turkey and Big Mac in the back, you know, I was going all out for Thanksgiving. Now we're adding our reduced sodium salt and our adobo. And our chicken broth. Now we're stirring everything together. Now we put the dressing in a baking dish. And I bake my cornbread dressing 375 for 30 minutes. And this is what the finishing touches look like. And this is my Thanksgiving dinner that I cooked. I cooked everything, the cranberry sauce, collard greens, sweet potato, cornbread dressing, turkey, ham, sweet potato pie, baked mac. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like, subscribe. Please comment if you would like to see another cooking video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great holiday. Peace.